Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to send wire transfer on RBC Mobile. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So there's a 3-step process for you to basically make an international wire transfer in the platform. So first is you need to begin the process by signing in into either RBC Online Banking or the RBC Mobile app. Now once logged in, navigate to the option for international money transfer. Now for step 2, you need to enter the necessary recipient information, ensuring accuracy in details such as address, account number, and additionally include vital details about the destination bank such as its name, location, and either the SWIFT, BIC code, or APA routing number. Now, swift and comprehensive transaction details. So this step not only streamlines the transfer but also ensures that the transfer reaches the intended destination swiftly and securely. The inclusion of specific banking details minimizes the risk of errors and guarantees a smooth transaction experience. Now for the final steps, you just need to verify the information and just basically hit on continue or send, and from there you just need to wait for the transaction to complete. So the recipient, within a short span of business days, 2 business days, they will be able to receive those funds. So this quick turnaround time reflects RBC's commitment to prompt and reliable financial transactions. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.